warn against dangerous and prohibited actions in a certain area, to highlight safeguards and procedures that must be followed or equipment that must be worn, to draw attention to a nearby hazard or potentially dangerous situation, to direct people towards essential safety gear and first safety equipment. These are the reasons why we are going to discuss accident prevention signs and symbols. General symbols. Signs and symbols required shall be visible at all times when work is being performed and shall be removed or covered promptly when the hazard no longer exists. Danger signs. Danger signs shall be used only where an immediate hazard exists. It should be red as the predominating color for the upper panel, outline on the borders, and a white lower panel for additional sign wording. Caution signs. Caution signs shall be used only to warn against or caution against practices. Caution sign shall have yellow as the predominating color, black upper panel and borders, yellow lettering of caution on the black panel, and the lower yellow panel for the additional sign wording. Black lettering shall be used for additional wording. Standard color of the background shall be yellow, and the panel black with yellow letters. Any letter used against the yellow background shall be black. The colors shall be those of opaque glossy samples. Exit signs. Exit signs, when required, shall be lettered in legible red letters, not less than 6 inches high, on a white field, and the principal stroke of the letters shall be at least 3/4 in width. Safety instruction signs. Safety instruction signs, when used, shall be with green upper panel with white letters to convey the principal message. Any additional wording on the sign shall be black letters on the white background. Directional signs. Directional signs other than automotive traffic signs specified shall be white with a black panel and a white directional symbol. Any wording on the sign shall be black letters on the white background. Traffic signs. Construction area shall be posted with legible traffic signs at point hazard. All traffic control signs or devices used for protection of construction workers shall conform to Occupational Safety and Health Administration standards. The following will show other signs and symbols you have to follow at all times while doing your work inside and outside the shop.
Prohibition. Do not use in any specified places. It may interfere in the operations of other electronic gadgets in the vicinity. Hazard alerting. Be careful warning. It warns everybody of potential dangers around the workplace. Prohibition. Not allowed danger alarm. This prohibition reduces risks of fire and prevents personal injury. Prohibition. When you see this symbol, picking, smoking, or touching is prohibited. Hazard alerting. Do not perform any activity when your eyes are unprotected. Hazard alerting. Danger of electrocution. Do not ignore this sign in the workplace. Hazard alerting. Avoid getting into contact to places, equipment, or tools with this sign. Hazard alerting. High voltage is dangerous and fatal. Keep out of areas where you see signs like this. Safety. In all offices, workplaces, and establishments, it is mandatory to have this sign for first aid displayed on conspicuous places. This is where you should run to if accidents happen. Hazard avoidance or safety. For good housekeeping, these symbols indicate recycling materials. This means that the material is recyclable or where you should place recyclable objects or wastes in the work area. Hazard avoidance. Be careful with falling objects and from being pressed from lathe and other moving machines.